Guys, so here we have another interesting sum. So let's get started. First of all, we'll convert 4 into 2 to the power 2, and outside we have this exponent multiplied by, for 0.5 we can write as 5 by 10 to the power 3 minus 2x equals to 1 by 2 to the power 3 to the power x. Alright. Next, we cut off this 1 and 2 here. So 2x minus 1, 2 outside, multiplied by 1 by 2, 3 minus 2x equals to 2 to the power minus 3 and has an exponent of x. When this is in the denominator, according to the law, this comes up as a negative exponent. Alright. So now the next step is to copy this the way it is, but we have to bring 2 on the top. So 2 to the power minus 1 for half. And outside we have 3 minus 2x. Okay, no changes. Equals to 2 to the power minus 3x. Alright. So next what we see is that the bases are all same, but we do not have to hurry until we will have added the exponents. Okay, so first let's do that. So 2x minus 1 plus minus 1, 3 minus 2x bracket closed equals to 2 minus 3x. Correct? So we need to simplify this. Okay, let's put a curly bracket over here for further clarity. So since we have the bases same, we need to equate the powers, but before that we need to simplify this. Alright. So let's write down 2x minus 1 here, plus minus minus, 1, 3 minus 2x, but this is minus minus, so we'll do in the next step. And here the base, and here 2 to the power minus 3x. So minus plus, minus plus minus 1, and this one we are only copying. Here there's no change. So further what we have is we'll equate the powers 2x minus 1 minus 3, minus plus minus and minus minus plus 2x equals to minus 3x. Next step, 2x minus 2 minus 3 plus 2x equals to minus 3x. Alright guys, so 2x plus 2x is 4x. We'll bring this 3x this side as positive, and we'll take minus 2 minus 3 that side as positive 5. So thus we have 7x, okay, equals to 5. Therefore x equals to 5 divided by 7. So answer is, okay, x equals to 5 by 7. That's it. So I hope you people have understood. So if you do not carefully deal with them, maybe you'll go wrong. So be a little slow and try to work these out carefully, cautiously. Alright children. So I hope you enjoyed this sum as much as I have enjoyed teaching you all. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye bye.